Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. I like you. I like you. You are so funny. You are so funny. You are awesome. You are awesome. You are very beautiful. You are very beautiful. You are very handsome. You are very handsome. Do you love me? Do you love me? I love you so much. I love you so much. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. Let me hug you. Let me hug you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is. Who are you? Who are you? I am a student. I am a student. Where are you from? Where are you from? How old are you? How old are you? What time is it? What time is it? Tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. What day is today? What day is today? Today I am very busy. Today I am very busy. What What did you do today? What did you do today? What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? What do you want to do tomorrow? What do you want to do tomorrow? Tomorrow I want to meet my mother. Tomorrow I want to meet my mother. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?